Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download as PDF on Canva when you're using a mobile device. In this video I'm going to be using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android when you use the Canva app. And so basically, if this video has been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe to the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. So let's get into it. Basically, I have this project that I've been working on Canva. I'm ready to download and export it. So what you can do is go up to the top right button. It's an upwards pointing arrow. Press in there and then go to download near the bottom. And then Canva is automatically going to suggest that you use .png as the file type, but you can go into there and then either press PDF standard or PDF print. And you can actually select crop marks and bleed as well in PDF print. And then once you've finalized everything, press the purple download button at the bottom. And from there, what we need to do is swipe up and press Save to Files. And then from there, you can back out of here and go onto, you can save the file onto your drive or onto Documents app, or even just on my iPhone. Right here, press Save, and then we can go into the Files. Select Files, and then we'll be able to see the .pdf save right here. And there we go, guys. It's been saved onto the Files app on your mobile device. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks very much.